we're going to take a look here at what fittings and what lengths of pipe you need to build this design. So first you're going to need 13 of these long ones here, and those are going to be 22 inches long. And then for the shorts, you're also going to need 13, and those are going to be 12 inches long. You're going to need 12 of the 90-degree elbows. You're going to need 4 of the 4-ways, and you're going to need 2 of the 5-ways. Okay, so now you're done. You can kind of just tighten everything up like that if you'd like. You also can glue this. You can use screws on it. But at this point, it's able to be taken apart. I think we're going to need 3 of these 29 by 27s. It's 27 by 29, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and cut 3 of those. All right, so now that we have 3 of those, we'll take our next measurement. Okay, so now we want to attach our plastic to this frame. We're going to be using the snap clamps. These are going to be item 12EZ. So they are 3/4 inch snap clamps, but they're called EZ because they're easier to take off.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.